Hello there, my name is Gregums, and today we are going to be looking at the hidden harm in mint chocolate chip ice cream. There's what it is, mint chocolate chip ice cream, and then here's a picture of what it looked like in the container. It's just a normal container. It's about it's not too big. It's regular size ice cream container. Okay, so the serving per container is 12. So 12 people, 12 servings, I should say. So if you were going to eat this, you could eat it 12 times, which is pretty great for its size. Okay, now so the calories per serving is going to be 140 calories. So 140, and the serving size is 1/2 a cup or 24 tablespoons. Now, I didn't believe this at first that it was 24 tablespoons, but then I actually took 24 tablespoons. I know it sounds stupid, but I did it, and it was actually pretty. It fit a 1/2 cup pretty well. I was surprised. But yeah, 24 tablespoons. Tablespoons are small, and you'll see some later in this video. So it's 1/2 a cup. Here's a picture of what it looks like. Now, as you can see, picture's right here. I'll make it a little bit bigger. It's gonna go over my face. Enhance. Okay, picture's bigger now. Now, in the picture, there are two globs, one behind the spoon and then one right next to the spoon, and those are both 1/4 cups, and those equal to 1/2 a cup, which is one serving size or 24 tablespoons. Okay, now on to the salt. The salt in this product is very, very, very scarce. It is 50 milligrams of salt. It is 50 milligrams of salt, which is equal to a tiny, tiny, tiny 0.02 tablespoons of salt. Here's what that looks like. Enhance. Now, in this picture, the only part you need to pay attention to is the highlighted region of salt. And yes, this is a picture of a teaspoon of salt. And I'm sorry, my teaspoon was white, and salt happens to also be white. So only the highlighted portion, the yellow or green, whatever color that is the 0.02. Because if you were to cut it into tenths, and then you were to cut the tenth into more tenths, that would be 0.02. 0 and 2/100 of salt in a tablespoon, which is crazy. That little much of salt per 1/2 a cup, or 12. So there's only 0.02 salt times 12 in this, so that's a little salt, so that's pretty good. Okay, so now on to the grams of sugar, and as you could imagine, ice cream has a lot of sugar. Per serving, there are 13 grams of sugar, or 3.25 tablespoons. Here's the picture of the tablespoon. I'll actually put it on this side this time. Here it is. I put the picture in a document, and then I duplicated it, so there's 3, and then 0.25. Here you go. I'll give you a bigger view. Enhance. Okay, so as you can see, you can see the 3 sugar tablespoons stacked up on top of each other, and then to the side it's kind of small. Here, this is what I'll do. I'll put up an even bigger picture of the 0.25. There's a bigger picture. Excuse me. There's a bigger picture of what it looks like. That's the 0.25, so 3.25 grams of sugar per serving. Okay, as I fumbled through my notes, I realized that's the end. So, mint chocolate chip ice cream. My rating on how healthy it is, I think it's pretty healthy. It has a little bit of salt and moderate sugar. So as long as you eat it for the proper servings, and don't eat more than 1 servings in one setting, I think you'd be pretty good. It's also very tasty, mint chocolate chip. One of my favorite flavors, if not my favorite. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I am done presenting.